Bitcoin is right now consolidating in the short term, so prepare yourself for that next Bitcoin move because a big breakout is going to be inevitable while Bitcoin is still hitting a major level of resistance. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly. We are still trading inside of the month of September, so definitely do be prepared for that worst case scenario. Anyways guys, we are going to be talking about that exactly, so can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And yes, in a short term we can actually start to have a look into what's multiple interesting things right now being developed. First of all, yesterday we have been seeing this bearish divergence getting created, and we have been seeing a little bit of a cool down for the Bitcoin price. Anyways, because of this cool down, Bitcoin has been starting to create this descending triangle, which is definitely looking very bullish for Bitcoin because at this current moment, it is looking like we are getting a bullish breakout. At the same time also, yeah, bouncing from off this level of support and also from off this level over here. Definitely, I think this is going to be a very strong level for the Bitcoin price in the coming few days. Bitcoin in that short term is just consolidating over here, and this is definitely to be expected because we have been hitting a major level of resistance. So in my opinion, I would even argue that this consolidation over here in that short term is even a very bullish thing because consolidation below resistance is always a bullish thing. Now anyways, yes, for me it is just going to be very simple because we could also be getting just a breakdown over here. It is just going to be having a look into this consolidation over here. We are having this top line of resistance and this level of support over here as well. Of course, coming from off this previous level of previous resistance, right now flipping in towards support. So definitely this is going to be a strong level, and it is still just going to be very simple for me. If we are going to be seeing this break towards the downside, well in that case I'm going to be having a look into lower levels getting reached, and in that case I am going to be having a look into this level at the very least once again to be getting hit. After that, this level once again all the way back towards the 57.5k level. So if you are going to be getting a breakdown for Bitcoin, well this is going to be my worst case scenario. Now I do not think it is going to be very likely that we are going to be seeing this breakdown. However, we could be seeing some fake outs, possibly towards the downside. Now, I do think that eventually a break towards the upside is going to be more likely, but right now, in that imminent short term for this week, that we are still trading inside of the month of September, I do actually think it is going to be more likely to just see some bearish momentum still towards the downside, or at least some consolidation. But then next month, starting from October, I think we're going to be starting a very bullish month because yeah, Q4 is going to be expected to be extremely bullish. We have of course been talking about this already many times. Of course, generally already Q4 is a very bullish quarter for Bitcoin, but also at the same time because we're in a halving year and in September we are about to be closing in the green. Well, because of that, Q4 is expected to be even more bullish than it is usually around already. So yes, right now for this month of September, I just think that consolidation is still going to be more likely. Anyways, we can be having a look into what's a break in either direction. Just be prepared for both scenarios right now in the market. Now anyways, in that larger time frame trend, definitely we are looking extremely bullish with this low over here, with this equal low we have been creating, and possibly you could even argue a higher low being created if you're going to be counting the candle wicks. So yeah, if we are going to be breaking above this previous high over here, we are going to be flipping our downtrend in towards an uptrend, and that is going to be what is going to be necessary for us in order to be breaking this bull flag pattern towards the upside eventually. So yeah, in my opinion, very bullish consolidation right now, very bullish development going on at this current moment. Also, do still keep in mind, we are still getting our breakout of this falling wedge pattern, and that breakout target is still going to be sitting at that 70k level or 69k level at these previous highs over here. But of course, that doesn't mean that in that imminent short term, we might just be seeing a slight little consolidation over here. Anyways, yes, the Bitcoin funding rates are still extremely low. This is making me feel very bullish because whenever funding rates are sitting very low, that means that the majority of the market is right now shorting the market. And whenever the majority of the market is short, well, usually the majority of the market is wrong in the market. So that would mean we are going to be more likely to see another move towards the upside actually getting initiated. But that doesn't mean it needs to be happening right now. Of course, it can still be happening next week whenever we're going to be starting our month of October. Anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself right now with this very good opportunity coming up, if we are either going to be getting a breakdown or a break towards the upside, well, guys, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below over on OKX, you can right now be claiming a 30% trading fee discount and a $60,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to be checking it out over on this page over here, $60,000 deposit bonus. Make sure to sign up an account right now over here, and down below right over here you can be seeing all of the rewards you can be claiming. So sign up an account right now over on OKX, sign up a new account, complete KYC level 1, and have a look into what's all of these bonuses you can be claiming. Anyways, in that larger time frame for Bitcoin, well, we are still just consolidating. Instead of this very bullish consolidation over here, I do think that eventually we are going to be getting a massive breakout towards the upside. I'm definitely not going to be bearish over here. Yes, I am going to be expecting that in that imminent short term, we should be getting a little bit more cautious, but in that longer term time frame, well, this is going to be the most bullish setup we have ever seen for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Of course, all of these charts are only going to be indicating very much upside potential for Bitcoin. First of all, we are breaking outside of this RSI downtrend over here. We are breaking out right now. And yeah, if history is just repeating, we are about to see another at least plus 100% move towards the upside getting initiated because of this RSI downtrend break towards the upside. Now, anyways, Bitcoin miners are holding like never before at this current moment. And always, whenever Bitcoin miners are holding, it is always suggesting that a price move is about to be initiated towards the upside. At the same time, also, the stocks are already reaching new all-time highs. Gold is reaching new all-time highs, but Bitcoin is only going to be next, because these markets are going to be leading indicators for the Bitcoin market. Like we have been talking about, well, Bitcoin always performs best in Q4. Q4 is about to be started. Bitcoin is about to go parabolic after the Bitcoin halving. Of course, we have been having the Bitcoin halving it approximately within the coming 10 days. So once again, next week, whenever we're going to be starting this month of October, we are approximately going to be starting to go parabolic towards the upside. Yeah, given these previous cycles. Anyways, also on-chain indicators are looking very good at this current moment, giving off this buy signal at this current moment, looking very good. And I've been saying that whenever everyone is waiting for this 40k level to be getting reached, well, most likely it is not going to be reaching that level, and most likely it is just going to be leaving everyone behind, which is looking like Bitcoin is currently doing, just like it did over here, just like it did over here, and just like it did at the exact Bitcoin bottom. So it is just a repeating history at this current moment. It is leaving everyone behind. Anyways, definitely exciting times are coming for Bitcoin. So anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.